Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 26th through August 6th. For July 26th to 30th, we still have this closed low here over the four corners, and this will result in above normal heights here in the west and a trough briefly here that will gradually weaken and lift out of the region. And we're going to go forward in period, and you can see this happening. And we'll have a ridge again building across the southeast. Now, a boundary extending from Florida to the Gulf of Mexico will remain the focus for heavy rain and convection. I'll take a look at that now. You can see it right here on the maps. And warmer, moist convection early next week will allow the activity to move north across the lower Mississippi Valley and the southeast. You see it here. Now, a close high is forecast over the southwest, and expect daily scattered monsoon activity to work around the ridge over the southern Great Basin in the Rockies and the plains. Mid-level impulses within the and frontal boundaries within the progressive flow across the northern U.S. will enhance rainfall and moisture and instability to produce heavy rain and storms. Okay, July 29th to August 2nd. A closed low is forecast over the southwest, and a progressive flow is forecast across the northern U.S., and we have above normal heights, near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Models a good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, and I'll forecast for much of the nation, and I'll forecast anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 40% is 35%. And we have below normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. As we go to the period for August 3rd to the 7th, we will have a little change in the overall flow with near to above normal heights across the nation and with the broad ridge, and a progressive flow will remain across the northern U.S. So with that said, for this forecast period, I'm forecasting, again, above normal temperatures for much of the nation, up to 4 degrees above normal. Highest anomalies will be in the west. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to talk tropics. All right, according to the Sierra Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guidance, predicts possible development from the Gulf Coast and off the southeast coast to the mid-Atlantic during the next couple of days, and this area will be watched closely. And we'll take a look at the models, and you can see what I'm talking about here. Now we're going to go back. We'll go to Thursday. There's nothing there. Then we go to late Thursday, 8 p.m., and you can see here's a low here. It's a 1014 low, fairly weak. And then we look at the European. It has it off the coast. Okay, and then we'll go to Friday, and if whatever does develop, though, as we go, whatever does develop will be offshore and move northeast due to the flow across the U.S. But then we'll go to Friday, then we go to Saturday. You can see we have a low offshore. Then we look at the other models, and then it's basically gone 1021 low. See, it's fairly weak, but there is something forecast to develop. Yeah, be watched. and whatever. But in the meantime, there'll probably be heavy rain occurring across the Gulf Coast. Okay, that's it for now. It's a long-range weather forecast discussion for July 26th to August 6th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.